Hey, what's up, y'all? So, as you know, I wear lots and lots of protective hairstyles. Not long ago, I cut all of my hair off. I don't know why, but that's another story. And before that, I kind of struggled with postpartum alopecia. And I tried all of these different products trying to get my hair to grow back. And a friend of mine recommended these Rosemary drops by Mielle Organics. These drops are really good. I usually use these when I wear wigs or like different protective styles like the braids. And I've been using it a whole lot since I've been wearing a twist. You know, you just fill it up and put it all through your hair. It feels amazing, like so good. I promote products that I actually use and that I actually like, and this is definitely one of them. So make sure you check them out. This product has biotin in it, and those of you who know, you know biotin helps to grow your hair. So check it out.